I always get a fear that when I'm editing, I'm gonna see like a spooky person walking up the corridor. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. For anybody who's returning, thank you so much for coming back. And for anybody who's new here, my name is Izzy. Now, I am doing a slightly different video today because I'm gonna show you guys around my new home. For anybody who's new and hasn't seen any of my recent videos, we moved house in July and we've moved into a little bit of I would call it a project house. It's about 21 years old, this house, and it's really not, apart from the kitchen, it's not really had any modernisation done at all. Ideally, our dream is to put an extension on, and we have put in for planning, but we're waiting to hear whether that will happen or not. But yeah, I sort of thought that whilst we're doing all the works to the house and things like that, it was just a new sort of journey to take you guys on. So something a little bit outside of beauty and luxury fashion, but something that, you know, is going to be quite a large part of my life, especially as I'm going to be sort of living on a building site for the next however long. So yeah, you know, it kind of explains why filming's a little bit few and far between, and it will explain probably why I'll end up moving from room to room to film in when I'm doing my beauty videos, etc. And I've filmed sort of a little bit each time. So when we first moved in, and then you know, we've had some changes done to the lights, etc. I'm pointing like you can see them, but we've had quite a lot of different changes happen already, so I'm just going to take you through all that. But I really hope that you enjoyed the video, and yeah, welcome you guys to a little bit of my life, I suppose. So yeah, without further ado guys, I'm going to show you my house. I hope you enjoy. So we have officially moved in. We moved in yesterday. I didn't record anything yesterday because I literally didn't have time. This is just a few of the boxes from the kitchen. So I've already unpacked the kitchen and I'll take you guys there. The beauty room, excuse all the stuff on the bed, but we are getting there in here. It will take shape today. So the lounge, we've managed to stack up most of the things, and we've got the sofa out. This sofa isn't going to stay. This is just our sofa for now. And then the dining room's in here, but we haven't got a dining room chair. So at the minute, we've just got carpet samples, which we'll be changing this carpet. But the kitchen, I'm proud of myself because the kitchen is done. So you've got your sink area, utility room. Needs a bit of a tidy up, but yeah, this is the nice tidy-ish. These wires, this is quite a funky little thing. I mean, we're going to get rid of it because I'll show you in a sec. When it comes up, it gets all like crumbs and everything in there, but it's just a little charging point. That's why all these wires are out, because I've got that for my phone, and then this is for the speaker, so I'll just plug that in. But yeah, it's kind of took shape. I mean, we need to make it our own, obviously, but everything's all away. You've got all your glasses and everything. This is my cupboard. This is Matthew's cupboard. There's all the miscellaneous bits where I'm gonna have to find a home for these. Then you've got your master bedroom in here, which, to be fair, I've already put all the clothes and everything in the wardrobes. But when I say all the clothes, we've still got all that left to unpack. Yeah, that's got all the clean washing that I'd done before they moved the washing machine. Some bathroom bits to unpack still. Got in here, this is my bathroom bits to unpack. It's a bit of a mess. I was absolutely shattered yesterday. I think this is probably the only room that's relatively okay. Got Evelyn's clothes all in the wardrobe. And then this room that's got all my bits in, I need to get them into the wardrobes. It's a struggle to get these wardrobes in, but yeah, this is these bits to finish off. And then Evelyn's room, obviously her teddies need to come get on the bed, so I've just got to make her bed and obviously empty all these boxes, but she was at her mum's last night, so there was no rush to get her bedding done and sorted. But yeah, busy day. I'll update you guys when I can. So this is the house outside at night. I love just being out here. And then this door's completely changing. Here's the cat, little Fiwi. But yeah, it's so much brighter. I can't even begin to explain. That was our little family picture that we had up, but they've got rid of it. It was there. But yeah, really, really, really much brighter. I just love it. I adore this house. And then we've got spotlights in here, and we've just added some plugs here, so hence the line here. We're going to have a light switch either side of the bed. Aircon is in, it's just not powered up yet, but that's in here. Taking you through into the hallway. And we've got our spotlights here, so there was originally, I think, a light here and a light just up here. We've got a couple of extra spotlights in the main bathroom, which has just made it much brighter. Obviously everything's going to get gutted in here. I'm not going to show you the ensuite to the bathroom in the main bedroom at the minute, just because Matt's in there. Spotlights in here, so again much brighter. These are the spare bedrooms. This is the room that I've been using for filming, and now it's a lot brighter with the spotlights in there. So I'm really loving the spotlights. We've gone for like a nice sort of chromey finish on basically all the lights, with a black rim around them, because all the skirting boards and everything, we're getting rid of these. They're going to be black skirting boards, and we're going to have, because these doors are really really light, and basically if you've got all the windows open, it makes all the doors bang. Can you see the little, there's our, let me zoom in, there is our little chandelier. Sorry, I'm super excited. These pictures, they're not going to stay, but they were my nana's, and I just love them. Yeah, so that's my little filming room. Normally I've got my ring light there. Look how dusty the mirror is. That's just crazy. Hey. Crazy dusty mirror. So I've got lots and lots of cleaning to do. And then this room is phase 2, so you can see, this is really how most of the lighting was in the house. So, you know, real dark corners. That's my filming chair. I've just got a lot of stuff on there at the minute because I'm trying to stop it from getting dusty. This is Evelyn's room currently, hence the unmade bed and all the stuff. But you can see just how dark this room is in comparison to the rest of the rooms. But yeah, super bright, super not bright. So, but yeah, that is where we're at the minute. And I'll show you more as and when. So guys, that's it from me for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I know it's a little bit different, so let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my content. And I'll see you guys again really soon. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!